Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Professor Dan, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on Cooperative Research and Development Agreements, or what I call a CRADA. What is a Cooperative Research and Development Agreement? A Cooperative Research and Development Agreement is a written agreement between a private company and a government agency to work together on a project. It's one of the principal mechanisms used by federal laboratories to engage in collaborative efforts with non-federal partners to achieve goals of technology transfer. It intended to be a flexible mechanism that can be adapted to a variety of types of collaborative efforts between federal and non-federal organizations. A CRADA can be implemented relatively easily within a relatively short time. As a technology transfer mechanism, the CRADA is an extremely useful tool in moving federally funded research and development into the private sector. The definition of a Cooperative Research and Development Agreement is a written agreement between one or more federal laboratories and one or more non-federal parties under which the government, through its laboratories, provides personnel, facilities, equipment, or other resources with or without reimbursement. What are the rules associated with a Cooperative Research and Development Agreement? The rules are: Rule number 1, the government laboratories can provide personnel, services, facilities, equipment, intellectual property, or other resources to the private company's research efforts. Rule number 2, the government can't provide any funding. Rule number 3, a private company may provide funds, personnel, services, facilities, equipment, intellectual property, or other resources toward the conduct of specified research or development efforts that are consistent with the missions of the Bureau. And finally, rule number 4, any property and equipment provided under technology transfer mechanisms will be provided in accordance with established property management policies and procedures. What are the main benefits of a Cooperative Research and Development Agreement? There are multiple benefits associated with a CRADA. The main benefits are: provide incentives that help speed the commercialization of federally developed technology. Protect any proprietary information brought to the CRADA effort by the partner. Allow all parties to the CRADA to keep research results emerging from the CRADA confidential and free from disclosure through the Freedom of Information Act for up to 5 years. Allow the government and the partner to share patents and patent licenses. And finally, permit one partner to retain exclusive rights to a patent or patent license. What is the eligibility criteria for a Cooperative Research and Development Agreement? A CRADA can involve one or more of the following: private corporations, non-profit and not-for-profit institutions, U.S. state and local governments, and other U.S. federal agencies. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Cooperative Research and Development Agreement. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.